Hey YouTube, it's about almost 2 o'clock here. About 1:52 here. And I thought I'd get this fan put together and oiled up and everything. It's a little shaky because the blades are bent. The brackets are bent a little. But I think it'll be alright. It's all oiled up and everything. I put that Zoom oil over there in it. This is on high. It's a 2-speed fan. Non-reversible. Here's low. I don't have a light on it. I actually think I'm going to be putting a speed control for it right there. And I'll take a video once I get the speed control on it. And let y'all see it. Motor's pretty quiet. I haven't gotten a canopy for it yet. It's missing the canopy. I've got to go buy one for it. Yeah, this is off. And there. I think it took about a minute to stop. And here's the serial and everything. It's a Robin Myers model 2227, serial 1840. The motor feels a bit warm. But that's because I've been running it. I ran it all day today. And it was on high. I turned it off for the video. It runs pretty good. I'm gonna continue to run it, see if anything comes up with it. It seems to be just fine. Hope y'all enjoy. See you later. Like and subscribe. Bye.